Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki kubor bam dagasngi. Kalintiya Amit Shah na du umyam ribhoi district hadu nong ba Shillong kalasha sertam hal ki khot samla puli ka KSU student union namar ka jingwan utai umentri ka kam po Ieng shanong ba Shillong. Banwan ishim benta ha ka 73 plenary jungkan NEC ki dukhot ka KSU student union ki tingkha barwa i ki jingtho plakat ha ka leng ka nong ba Shillong. Habaro ki surok bayat umentri ka sarkar pteng o Amit Shah. Ki dukhot ka KSU ki belate ha ki jingker khambon ha ki than polo kamat jong ka KSU she ka sarkar India ban ai jingman jurno ye ka an inline permit ILP ban te lakam ye ka jingwan buhai snong be an ki bar jilla ka jing pyrshah banti uranium hapo Meghalaya ban thungkam ye ki samla trai jilla ha NEIGHRMS ka jingwa ye ki plakat banar ka daitang gadak ban pin i she umantri ka tnat kampo Ieng o Amit Shah ba chakiwi ki menteri sarkar pdeng ye ki ma jingdawa badang sa ateng jong ka Meghalaya wala kala don ka jing sertap bun jong ki pulit sipai CRPF ki balayang pahara hasilenter ke surong namar ka jingyalang 73 plenary jong ka NEC ha ka nong ba Shillong.
No, there is no permission here. No permission here. Yes, tell me. Give me permission. Did you take permission for the protest? Yeah, that's what. Did you take? No. That's what I'm telling you. Please don't obstruct. We are doing duty here. No, this is not the way. Please. Yeah. Please remove. Yeah. Get it removed. Please. Take it. No. Now you do it. If you don't know, then we have to. Yeah, please. See, I cannot wait so long. Please.
We'll remove, sir.
Remove. Now.
We just want to express our view. That's all, sir. It's not that we will create a problem. It's just a peaceful protest.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, हाँ इस तरफ में आ जाओ तो ये थोड़ा फोर्स लेके आ जाओ यहाँ पे ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे तो अभी वो आपका प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है KSU दो पार्किंग में Yeah, when we have position, we have applied the gate. There's a big parking there. Like people stand there. There's no congestion. There will be enough gate. Police come out to play loud music. Give us the best reason what we want to express I think of Abhyang